Welcome. In this video, we're going to walk through the simple steps to remove a member from a WhatsApp group. Whether you're a group admin trying to tidy things up or just need to manage your chat list more effectively, this quick guide will show you exactly how to do it. First, open the WhatsApp app on your phone. Make sure you're logged in and on the home screen where all your chats appear. Navigate through your chat list and locate the group you want to manage. Once you spot it, tap on the group name to open the conversation. Next, at the top of the screen, you'll see the group name again. Tap on it. This will open the group info page where you can see all the details, the group description, media, and the full list of members. Scroll down until you find the contact you want to remove. Now, here's the part that does the trick. Tap on the member's name that you want to remove. A few options will appear, including one that says remove from group. Go ahead and select that. WhatsApp will show a quick confirmation message asking if you are sure you want to remove this member. Tap OK or remove to confirm your decision. Once you've done that, the person will immediately be removed from the group. They won't receive any special notification, but they'll no longer see messages or be able to participate in the chat. It's also important to keep in mind that only group admins have permission to remove members. If you don't see the option to remove someone, it means you're not an admin for that group. In that case, you can ask one of the admins to make the change or promote you to admin if needed. And that's all it takes. With just a few taps, you can keep your WhatsApp group organized and focused. Thanks for watching.